Hey there, this is Mr. Begue, and I wanted to walk you through how to set up your recording for your presentation using a tool called Movenote. First thing you're going to want to do is click into the apps bar. On your Chromebooks, look at the bottom left and you'll see this apps bar. Once you pull it up, you'll see that you already have pre-installed an app called Movenote for Education. When I log into that, of course, I have to be logged into my Gmail account for it to connect. That's my school Gmail account, so I'll go ahead and sign in. And the first time you set up, usually you'll have to actually connect to these cameras. So you can see me happening over here in this corner. If you're not seeing the camera, there's going to be a message here for you to kind of connect your camera to the actual presentation. Just follow the prompts for that by allowing the camera to access Movenote, and you will eventually get to the point where you can see yourself here and you'll see the monitor talking as well. When you're ready to find your presentation, you click on Add Slides over here, and you'll notice that you can go down to Google Drive. If I go to Google Drive, you'll find that there in that selection is your presentation that you've done in class, Education in My Country. So I'll go ahead and double click that. And it takes a second, but what's going to happen is the slides are going to enter into this window here for me to do my recording. And you'll see that as I'm doing the recording, I can actually even advance through the slides. So you'll notice over here, 1 through 6, I can click through and do those changes as I'm recording. So I'm going to go back to the very beginning. And when I'm ready for what I'm going to say, all I have to do is go and click on the record button over here to start recording. It'll give me a countdown. And now I'm actually recording my presentation, and as I'm talking I can click through and show the next slide and then talk about that slide and then go all the way through to the very end talking about each of the slides like we discussed, and then going to our 6th slide with our final one with sources and saying thank you, that's it. I'll hit the record button again, and you'll notice it gives me the option to start the recording over or just to click done. I'm going to go ahead and hit done. Once I've saved it, it takes a second for it to process like you're seeing right here. And once it's finished, it's going to show you the actual video and it's going to give you a link, right? So here if I wanted to, I can play it. Okay, and I have my audio turned off so you're not able to hear it. But I can also now send it to Miss Gabo by highlighting this here, clicking on the copy button over here, and then going to School Loop and putting it in there. You might want to test this once or twice just to make sure your audio is set up before you go on and do your actual presentation. But that's all it takes to get into Movenote. Good luck this morning, and hope to see some good stuff. Thank you.